Hi, my name is Marissa Hamilton. I'm a freshman here at Indiana University studying secondary English education. I plan to teach high school English in the future, hopefully the upper grade level so that I can really focus on literature. Literature is my main focus here at Indiana University. I really enjoy it, so that would be something that would be really cool to do. Ever since I was really young, I wanted to be a teacher. I remember at 4 years old really wanting to teach and play school with my brother. So this is something really cool to me to stay with my dream and keep going for that. I realized I want to be an English teacher in high school when I found out that literature was something that I was really, really interested in. Um, so that's cool. I believe like technology in the classroom, I believe that schools should adapt to better be able to go along with the changing world. Which is true, which with everything, I think that, your classroom should adapt to how the world around is adapting. You can't have something that's super out of date. But I believe with English, however, I know some focuses are harder to incorporate technology. So my belief with English is to focus mainly on textbooks and the literature we have in front of us, and what they have to say. And so in my classroom, I would not use technology. I would not be against technology, but I want to have an authentic discussion with my students about um, this piece of literature in front of us, not necessarily what they can do with the computer. Um, but in W200, I've become really aware about the technologies and resources that I wasn't aware of before. I learned a lot of different things that, like Nearpod and Classroom Dojo and stuff like that, that I had no idea how to use before. So that was really cool to be able to be um, like introduced to that. So so I thought I would show my gallery page on my ePortfolio here. The first thing I have is the micro teaching. So my micro teaching was at Bachelor Middle School, as you can see. Um, our lesson was over data representation with books, which was something that was really interesting to kind of focus on. Since we are English majors, the group that I was in, um, we decided to change our lesson to kind of fit what we were interested in, and so that was really cool. And we talked to the kids about resources and the information you are given and how you can accurately um, depict information from that. So that was really cool to be able to do. Another example is the lesson plan we are working on right now with our inquiry-based learning. This is going to be really cool for us. So we decided to kind of go with a Socratic seminar based discussion. So inquiry-based learning, like something that is not straight up lecture, that's something different that the kids can do. So doing this lesson plan has been really interesting to kind of think out of the box and like set up a change of pace for a regular classroom. So that's really awesome. And another artifact that I'm really like proud of and really like is Ed Puzzle. So in this, it's a poetry video. And so I asked questions along the way about it and like how elementary poetry is used in this and to kind of make kids think about that. So that was really cool to do and be able to talk to kids about. And then lastly, I have my educational memes here because I thought that was really cool. They were for me to make. It was really fun. I really liked doing that. So these are my best works right here. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this. Thanks so much.